real trial, there would be a machine hidden, probably, that's why the lumps of grass are up there. There'd be a machine, and they'd be loaded with these. With Ratchi, they normally use dummies, alright? With retrieving field work, they use often dead but real prey. So they use birds, or they use ducks, or they use rabbits, or whatever. It's a different discipline again. It's not under it's under the guidelines of the KCC, but it's got a little bit, it's more real. They've got guns, they've got the whole thing. They're not literally killing prey, they're using normally euthanasia birds. But for Ratchi, which is the discipline under KCC rules, they use dummies. Max?
But you do tell them that they live in a case of dead birds, so they can pick up the scent.
They do. They do. I wasn't gonna, but yeah, they do.
What they do.
So
they make it
they're
smell like a
supplied
dead bird.
by, for example, I've done several for the German Shorthair Pointer Club. They supply their own, they supply the dummies for the trial, because otherwise it would be an advantage for Max to have always go and get his own dummies. So they supply the dummies, and we would have a thrower over there behind the thing, probably, and the judge will tell you the thrower will be here, it'll land, and you'll see actually one fly up, so that you know approximately where it's going to land. The dog should be again under control of you. Sit. Wait.
Make an in, yeah. Get him in the water, he wouldn't come out.
You've got no idea. Drop. Drop. Back. can only lose 30, so I would have been really borderline for a while. But, you know, we still finished correctly. What I consider with the dog presenting what it is, whether it's prey or dummy, it doesn't make any difference. But, yeah, it's a lot of fun. You will enjoy it. Yeah, it's really a lot of fun. So thanks very much, guys.
Thank you. Well done, Miss Susie. Thank you. Come on. Have you got your leash?